Hello everyone, welcome to all. Today we will discuss about solar PV RESCO model. So there are lots of scheme in implementation of solar PV modules, especially in factories and industry. So one of the popular model is RESCO model. Let us discuss it today. Now there are various types of models available for solar PV installation. One is the CAPEX model and another one is the OPEX model. In OPEX model also there are two types of model. One is the RESCO model and another one is the BOOT model. So let us discuss the RESCO model today. So this scheme is available for the industries, factories or the plants which have an capacity or electricity load of 5,000 to 6,000 units per day electricity consumption. So for RESCO model, the minimum model is for around 1,000 kilowatt plant or for 1 megawatt plant. So let us discuss one by one. The electricity price for the residential areas is 5 to 6 rupees and for the commercial areas it is around 10 to 12 rupees with taxes. Now if you are using or if you are applying for RESCO model, then you can get the electricity up to 4 rupees to 6 rupees depending upon your CRISIL rating and up to for 25 years. So generally it is a time bounded scheme for 10 years, 15 years, 25 years. Generally in RESCO model there is a 25 years bond and the electricity price we will get of around 4 to 6 rupees per unit instead of 10 to 12 rupees. So on which factor your electricity price will depend? It depends on the CRISIL rating or the rating provided by the bank. If you have an A or A plus CRISIL rating, then you will get the electricity at around 4 rupees per unit for 25 years. And if your rating is somewhat lower than that, that is B++, then you will get the electricity at around 5 rupees per unit. And if you have lower rating or have no rating related to it, then you will get the electricity at around 6 rupees or more than this. So it will also a 50% profit on the minimum side, and at the maximum side you are getting an advantage or a profit of 70% of your electricity bill. So that is a huge profit of around 50 to 70%. All the investment under this will be through the bank loan as per your rating, and it will all done by the companies. And if there is not available any bank, then private investor can also do that part. Now so let us discuss what will be the cost of such RESCO model. Now for RESCO model you need not to pay any type of price. The company will provide a loan from the bank on behalf of your company, and it is generally around for 1 mega plant it is around 4 CR. So let us discuss about the savings. So if on the minimum side, suppose if you have a lower bank rating, then you will get a profit minimum of 50%. Then you will get savings in a year is 5,000 units into 6 into 300, that is around 0.9 to 1 CR in a single year. In the second case, if you have a higher bank rating, then you will get a maximum profit nearly around 70%. Then you will save around 1.2 to 1.5 CR in a particular year. So that will be huge, and you have to pay only 50% or 30% bill of your electricity bill up to 25 years. So that will be a huge advantage. And so there is a huge difference between RESCO and CAPEX model. In RESCO model, you only have to pay the electricity you are consuming. Okay, that will be a very good model. And in capex model, you have to pay all the money in the starting, and after it you don't have to pay any electricity bill. So that is the big difference between RESCO model and capex model. Generally in RESCO, generally in industries and companies, they prefer RESCO model because they don't want to invest all the money in the starting. So if they are getting their electricity bill 50% or 70% less up to 25 years, so that will be the huge advantages. And generally most of the companies paying huge electricity bill for their production line, and it will also affect the price of their component. So definitely if the electricity bill will reduce to 50% to 70%, then the price of the component will also reduce to a huge instant. So definitely the profit will be large. So if anyone interested in this, they can contact us. And if someone interested in marketing also, and if they want to join in any other way, they can also contact. Thanks for listening. That's for all today. Thanks.